everyone, my name is Olivia Hausle and today I'm going to be making Italian wedding cookies. So in this bowl, we're going to combine the dry ingredients. So 1 cup of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and then a pinch of salt. And then in this bowl, we're gonna combine the wet ingredients, so a 1/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of oil, I'm using canola, and then 1 egg, and then we're gonna use 1 tablespoon of extract. You can use almond or vanilla. This is almond. Just gonna measure it with the cap. I whisked together the wet ingredients and now I'll be adding the dry ingredients and whisking this together until it forms a dough. Now that we have our dough, we're gonna separate it and place it on a lined baking sheet. I have laid the cookies out on the sheet. This recipe makes about 15 cookies, so I'm gonna place them into a oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. While the cookies are baking, we're gonna make the glaze, which is just 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, and a pinch of salt. When you're done mixing the glaze, it should have this consistency. So this is what they look like when they come out of the oven. I've transferred them to a plate so I can put the icing on. You're just gonna drip the icing over each one of the cookies. This is what the cookies look like iced, and then the last step is to just add some sprinkles. This is what the finished product looks like, Italian wedding cookies.